Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making chocolate chip cookie bars. 1 part chocolate chip cookie, 1 part brownie, totally amazing. These chocolate chip cookie bars are the perfect dessert to share. So, let's get started.
Alright, so for the ingredients, we're going to need 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter melted and slightly cooled, 2/3 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of milk chocolate chips divided, and optionally, we're going to need some dashes of flaky sea salt. What's really awesome about this recipe is that it's super simple and it's really quick to make. And so to get things started, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. And we're going to line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper and make sure that it fills the shape of the pan to the best of your ability. Now, in a medium-sized bowl, you want to whisk together the flour, the salt, and the baking soda and the cornstarch until it's all well combined. And once it is, we're going to set it aside, and that creates your dry mixture. Now, in a separate large bowl, we're going to whisk together our melted butter, the sugar, and the brown sugar until it's well combined. And while we're whisking these ingredients, this is the perfect time to whisk in that like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more recipes like this one, and hit the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned until the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe coming next week. And once these 3 ingredients have been combined, we want to add in our eggs and our vanilla extract to this bowl and whisk these ingredients all together until they're well combined. And this will create your wet mixture. Now we want to pour in our dry mixture into the wet mixture, a 1/3 portion at a time. You just want to wait to add the next portion until the previous portion has been fully incorporated. And one of the best things about this recipe is that you don't need a stand mixer, a handheld mixer, or anything like that. You can make this pretty much by hand. And so if you're ever rushing to create a nice, delicious dessert, you can always go for this recipe. So once our batter has been formed, we want to stir in 1 3/4 cup of chocolate chips into the batter. And I like to just fold them in using a rubber spatula. Once the chocolate chips have evenly dispersed within the batter, you want to transfer your dough into your prepared pan, ensuring that the batter fills the bottom surface of the pan. You can use your rubber spatula to spread the batter around. And so now once your batter has fully filled the pan, you can take your remaining amount of chocolate chips and place them in the places where you have a little bit too much batter versus chocolate chips, just to even it out. Now you want to bake this for 35 minutes or until the edges of the cookie are set and golden brown, and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So once that time is up, you want to remove the pan from the oven and allow it to cool to room temperature. Once it's fully cooled inside the pan, you can lift it up using the parchment paper, and what I like to do to boost the overall flavor of the cookie is to sprinkle on some flaky sea salt to the top surface. And now what you want to do is cut this giant cookie into 16 chocolate chip cookie bars. And now they're ready to serve and enjoy. And just like that, you've made chocolate chip cookie bars. Like I said in the beginning of this video, as you can see, this recipe is so easy to make, and these cookie bars are the perfect fusion of a chocolate chip cookie and a chewy brownie. definitely the fix for any sweet tooth or chocolate craving that you might have. One of my favorite ways to serve this is a la mode, so the cookie itself will be nice and hot with a scoop of cold fresh ice cream on top, and I like to drizzle some chocolate syrup over top of that as well. To me, these chocolate chip cookie bars are the perfect dessert for those late night cravings. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 2, Elevating Your Inner Chef, and that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on the screen in the top right for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button for me and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out, and you'll see more recipes like this one. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned for next week, where I show you to make another really easy recipe, shortbread cookies. Well, thank you all so much again for watching, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.